custom connector. Okay, I implemented that.
Okay.
Okay, I will showcase in my app also so that you will come. This is my Power Apps. It is only right one screen, and I have used the responsive app.
Okay, it is loading at my end. Like I need to do on your system, or I need to take control?
No, I can provide you the credentials also. You don't worry.
Okay,
You
then
can open.
it is fine.
And also that I will be getting from JDetworks custom connector.
Okay, okay.
There is so much of logic dependency is there. There are different
Uh-huh.
type of actions.
I understand. I understand. I'm working since 2010. There is a error of payment gateway, I think.
Yeah, online gateway. Anyway, there is no issue now. Anyway, it will be going to resolve.
Mm.
Previously, it's worked.
Mm-hmm.
Now, anyway, right, because of comprehensive gateway, it is getting failed. You don't worry.
Mm-hmm.
And here, right, this thing I have implemented. Okay, some of the details I have highlighted in the mandatory. Without
Mm-hmm.
submitting those,
Mm-hmm.
the better will not end. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and once you have created that item, it will be automatically creating the item set point. Okay, once it is item created, then automatically cloud flow will be taken.
Okay.
This is also total response lab,
Okay.
whatever the device was. Okay,
Okay.
but here they already implemented the this uh, pipeline, but here it is getting issue.
It is
I
breaking or what?
no, I will showcase you.
Okay.
I will run so that you will come to know. This is right. There are
Yeah.
different
Yeah. This is fine.
products.
Yeah. This is fine.
Okay, and here solution, right? Maybe right, this solution will be different, right? Maybe there like across there
Yes.
might be
Yes.
different
Solution
solutions.
can be different. Yes.
That is the reason, like we have used the parameter, input parameter, FL
Mm-hmm.
and closing standards.
Mm-hmm.
Let's go to resources. Variables, there is no variable. Okay,
Okay.
yeah, run.
Mm-hmm. Job has not yet started.
Yeah, I'll showcase you. I don't know, like this was totally new to me. That is the reason.
Can you expand it? FX. Mm. Let's see how many minutes
This,
it takes. Let's see.
uh, yeah, this is my solution name. Okay,
Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm.
just I'm checking gateway.
Okay.
That day did not take that much time. I don't know what could be that.
Once that pipeline will execute, then only I can tell.
Yes. Hey, you are from Delhi or somewhere else, Tulsi?
No, Delhi itself.
Oh,
I worked in entity data. I worked in
yeah, I've seen. Right.
yeah, Pega
I,
systems.
mm,
I was a technical solution architect when people are not even 3.5
yeah, yeah.
in just 3.5 years of experience.
Okay, got it. That's good only.
Yeah. I felt bored there, so I left that job.
Oh, got it, got it.
और नीचे down you go. Finish should come now. It has not yet finished.
Yeah, yeah, it is right. Export.
It has gone to
So
next
it
step
is.
now.
Mm,
I will see like how much time this pipeline is taking. Okay, this
mm.
work I'm thinking at least it is 2 days work. Okay,
Oh,
okay. If
okay.
this pipeline is not,
Mm,
if this pipeline is not executing, okay,
okay.
okay, and
Mm,
how much that it is taking time. So like it is taking so much time to execute. There are so many steps in this. Okay, so I have to check every step if it is breaking.
mm.
Okay,
Okay.
I have to check its logs, everything, step by step. Then only I can tell.
Okay, sure.
So you can give me your credentials. I will check this pipeline when this will be executed. Okay, you pay me right now
Mm,
1,000 rupees. We can then
mm.
analyze the task support. What you can pay me right now. I will start the work.
Sure, sure.
Okay,
And also here, right, whether like we can utilize the same thing or do we require another pipeline for this?
I will tell you.
I mean to.
I will continuously update you. Because once I see the pipeline I can't tell. I need to
Yes, yes.
I can be I will be here in the meeting. Okay, once this
Okay, okay, no issue.
pipeline will be executed and update
Mm.
you. Okay,
Sure, sure, sure.
I'm sharing you my GPay number. Okay.
Yes, good. Please allow me some time. I have cash. I will do that definitely. You don't worry.
Okay, yeah.
But previously it did not took that much time. I don't know why it is taking.
Hmm, maybe VPN issue or maybe something.
Mm.
You work in which company?
So currently, I am working with entity.
Acha, I worked with entity 3 times.
Oh, okay. Since right 2.5 years onwards.
I worked with entity when I was a fresher. Keen India. I
Okay.
was a Keen India
Oh,
employee.
yes, yes. In India merged into here, right?
Yeah, so
Right. Even. Mm,
3.5 years I worked in Keen India. Okay, then in 2000, what 2014 for three
mm,
months contractual,
okay.
and then
Mm.
almost 2 months my layoff occurred. So 3 times I worked,
Oh, yeah.
2 times contractual I worked, and one time permanent I worked.
Oh, got it.
So 2 times contractual only like damaged my resume. There are so many
Yes, yes.
contractual jobs in my resume, so they don't recruit me now.
Yeah, I can understand. Yeah, sometimes some of the companies they are looking for this.
Yes, my contractual contractual service only has damaged my resume. This is the error. See,
Got it.
I need to see. I need to check this step, correct this pipeline. Okay, what is this error? Now I need to go through. Okay,
Yeah, this is the old one. Like even I ran, but I don't know why it is.
so I need to diagnose it now.
Yeah, commit config, right?
Yes, this also I need to check why it is breaking. It is maybe like some authorization problem, maybe authorization rights, maybe.
Okay.
So I need to go through all this code.
Yeah, that file YAML file, right? You are saying.
Yeah, I need to see this log. Click on this log. Go there. View. Click on view. No. Go back.
Just now it is getting file. We have received the email. I will show.
I have to check every step and then coding also in that. Now you go down. You go. No.
This one, right?
Yeah, click on this. Click on this. CI export. Yeah. View raw log. Click on view raw log. In this, I need to check this whole log file also, where it has
Okay.
where it has break. Control F. Control F.
Hmm.
Error. Right, error. See this
Yeah.
whole error codes I need to check.
Oh, this is
There is some
there is
CRM exception.
yeah, and also here see the given solution unique name is not a valid,
Hmm.
but this is the only valid one.
So I need to check now which variable, what gateways you are using. All these things I need to check it. Solution, everything I need to check it.
This is the solution only. I don't know why it is.
I need to check the environment settings even. See, I told you, some authorized problem is there. Authorization maybe problem is there, maybe with the environment. Mm, mm.
I mean to say this environment only,
Mhm.
not the whole power platform.
Yeah, this environment we need to check now. Is this what error is coming? Power platform we need to check. Mm.
I'll be providing credentials.
Okay.
But I have given the solution correct name only. I don't know why it is.
I will update you. I will update you continuously. I will be updating you once you pay. I will start working.
Sure.
Okay. Okay.
Sure. Sure.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you. Okay.